welcome to yet another exciting, awesome Indiana Joe review. And today we're going to do it on a classic. Are you ready for this? The very first, the original Blizzard from Dairy Queen. It is the M&M Blizzard. The very first Blizzard I ever had was an M&M Blizzard. And it is kind of melting pretty fast. So let's just go ahead and jump right into it. I can tell you right now, it smells awesome. I can tell you right now, it is blended perfectly, plenty of M&Ms in it. And here's the first bite. As you can see there's some M&Ms, ice cream, here we go. That was just absolutely amazing, guys. Amazing. That is pure heaven, guys. Absolute pure heaven. I'm gonna take another bite. Plenty of M&Ms in this too. Okay, guys, right off the bat, the ice cream in itself is perfection. Dairy Queen soft serve, you absolutely cannot beat it. It is the absolute 100% best ice cream on the planet, period. DQ soft serve ice cream is tops. The M&Ms, they put a ton of them in here. They blend them up. And if you go to McDonald's and get an M&M McFlurry, which I did a review on that, they put many M&Ms in it. They don't blend them up. And the colors bleed into the ice cream and stuff. Well, this, it don't happen, see? It doesn't. It's because they blend them up. The dust, I don't know what you want to call it, but the many crumbs that come from the M&Ms when you blend them up, all over on this ice cream. And it makes it even 100 million times better. Unbelievable, guys. Unbelievable. So it just makes it better when they'll cut up, blended up, the M&Ms. It really does. I don't know what it is. I don't know why. I don't know how to explain it. But the blended up M&Ms blow away like just putting many M&Ms in it unblended. It just does. This costs $2.79. And I got a mini, $2.79. Can't really eat the big ones like I used to. Let's give it one more try. Then I'll give you my official assessment. Here we go. Yeah, I think they even put some fudge in this. I know they do that with cookie dough. Not sure if they do it on the Blizzard, but if you could see, it ain't just straight vanilla ice cream like a McFlurry is. There's a little bit of fudge in it or something to complement the M&Ms and the ice cream. And what can I say? What can I say? It's the best, the absolute best ice cream you can have. There's just no point in doing any more. There just is. It's just absolute paradise. One of the classics too. I remember when this first came out. I believe it's. You might want to look it up. Comment below if you know. I believe this was the first Blizzard to ever come out, an M&M Blizzard. That's what I got all the time until they came out with cookie dough. But anyway, you absolutely cannot beat Dairy Queen Blizzards. You can't. It is just, when it gets nice out, that's the first thing you want to do is go to DQ. And so with the price, it's like $2.79, which is more than like an M&M McFlurry. That's the only beef I have with it. But I wish it was just a little bit cheaper, like $2.50 or something like that. But I think it's still worth it. It is. And for the amount of M&Ms you get in, and the way they mix it up and blend it, and the best, which is DQ soft serve, guys, I cannot give it below my highest recommendation on a scale from 0 to 5. I'm going to give it a 5 out of 5. A 5 out of 5. And that deserves a little high five on the camera. And that is what I give the original Blizzard from Dairy Queen, the M&M Blizzard. So, if you guys have any suggestions, any comments, want to share or anything like that, leave it in the comment section below. And don't forget to like, subscribe, share, and comment. And until next time, and remember, every Tuesday, Thursday right now, I might bump it down to once a week. It just depends on how busy I get. As of right now, every Tuesday, Thursday, and maybe more. But definitely every Tuesday, Thursday. So thanks once again for watching, guys, and until next time, peace.